Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 8 from the exercise 10.1 of the chapter straight lines. If you go to playlists and look for straight lines, you will be able to find all the sums related to this chapter and all the derivations related to this chapter. You can go and check. So we are solving question number 8 now, and the question number 8 goes like this. Find the value of x for which the points x comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5 are collinear. They are telling that these 3 points are collinear and we have to find the value of x, or for what value of x these 3 points will be collinear. That is what is the question. So this question can be solved in two different ways. They have stated that these 3 points are collinear. I am calling these 3 points as A, B and C. So when they have said that these 3 are collinear, that means they are on a particular line. So we are considering these 3 points on this line segment AC. Okay. Now the first method to solve this sum is using the slope of the line. What is the formula to find the slope of a line? Given any 2 points on the line, slope of a line can be found using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Correct? If we consider A and B and find the slope, and also if we consider B and C and find the slope, in both the cases we get the slope as same because we'll be finding the slope of the same line segment AC. Do you agree? If I find the slope of this line segment using points A and C, then also I will get the same slope because whichever may be the 2 points that we are considering, irrespective of that fact, we will be finding the slope of the same line. So, if I find the slope of the line using A and B, that will be equal to the slope of the line when I find using the points B and C. Correct? Yes. So, we are using that concept. Slope of line AB should be equal to slope of line BC. That is because they have clearly stated that these 3 points are on a particular line. That means they are collinear. So I am using that condition. Now we will find the slope of AB. We will consider A and B and find the slope of the line segment AB. So if I consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2, slope of AB will be y2 minus y1. That is 1 minus of minus 1 will be 2. x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus x. So slope of AB will be 2 divided by 2 minus x. Now we will find slope of BC, B and C. That means we are using these 2 points, that is B and C. This will be x1, y1 and this we will consider as x2, y2. Then slope of BC will be y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 1 equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2, which will be 4 by 2 and that is equal to 2. So using the condition or using equation 1 or the condition that these 3 points are collinear and the slopes should be equal, we are equating slope of AB and slope of BC. That will be 2 by 2 minus x equal to 2, which becomes 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus x. 2 gets cancelled and it will be 2 minus x equal to 1 and x equal to 1. So this is the value of x when these 3 points are collinear. That is, thus value of x for which the points are collinear is 1. When x equal to 1, for that particular value, these 3 points will be collinear. Now let us consider the second method. First method is using the slope. Second method is using the concept of area of the triangle. They are clearly telling it that these 3 are collinear. No triangle can be possible here, right? Using these 3 points, then area of the triangle has to be 0. That means there is no triangle that exists. So I can say area of the triangle is 0. So area of triangle ABC is 0. We are using this concept. When we know 3 vertices of a triangle, what is the formula to find the area of the triangle? It is half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Why are we equating it to 0? Because we know that there is no triangle possible. So area has to be 0. That is why we have directly equated the area to 0. Now we will apply these values to the formula. We are calling this as x1, y1, b as x2, y2 and c as x3, y3. So now first part is x1 into y2 minus y3. x1 is x into y2 minus y3, that is 1 minus 5. Okay, now plus x2 into, x2 is 2, x2 into y3 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 5 plus 1. So this will be 2 into 6 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is x3 is 4, y1 minus y2 is minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to 0. So on simplification you get half into modulus of minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now this half, when you cross multiply, when this 2, when you cross multiply, that becomes 0. So it is modulus of minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now there is a particular value. It may be positive or negative. When we take modulus, it will become positive, correct? Yes, but there is already modulus here. Inside this modulus, the term can either be positive or negative. We do not know about it, correct? Because there is an x which is a variable, can be positive or negative, that can affect the sign of this whole term. So when we don't know what is this, when we have to take a term out of modulus, we have to consider both the positive and negative sign. See, we have something like this. We apply modulus, it becomes a positive quantity. But when we are taking a term out of modulus, we clearly don't know what is the value of x, which can alter the sign of this whole term. So we are considering positive and negative, plus or minus, minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now first I will consider positive sign and let us check what do we get the value of x as. That will be minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then minus 4x equal to minus 4. Then x is equal to 1. So when this whole term is positive, the value of x is 1. Let us consider the negative sign. And let's check what do we get the value of x as. Minus of minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. That would be 4x minus 4 equal to 0 and 4x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. So in both the cases, we have got the value of x as 1. So we can conclude that thus the value of x for which the point, these 3 points are collinear is 1. In both the methods, we got the value of x as 1 only. One method was using the concept of slope and the other one is using the area of the triangle. You can solve this in any of the methods, but it is always important for you to know both the methods or both the concepts. If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.